These are things that you should not do after you upload your video. 1. Delete your video. Because you did not see views, you now went ahead to delete your video. Why? Do you know that deleting your video means that you have deleted a puzzle in YouTube database? You've already downloaded the video and it gave you 7 views, 8 views, 10 views. That views are being added to your view count and you went ahead to delete it. Now, the time that you are supposed to delete your video is when you know that, okay, this video can perform very well and it's not performing well, or you have made a mistake while editing your video. Now, you can now delete the video and re-edit your video and then upload it to the site. That is when you are permitted to delete your video. Please don't delete your video anyhow. It's going to kill your channel. It's going to cause you shadow ban. I'm going to be making a video on shadow banning. How YouTube shadow bans your video. Why YouTube shadow ban your video. Now, the next thing is you have shared your link. You have quickly uploaded your video. Your body is catching you. Now went ahead, copy link. Oh yeah, my brother, watch. My sister, watch. My Facebook community, watch. Yes, it's good though. But if they click on your link and they watch your video 1 minute and they click out, that video will not perform well. Hope you know. The video will not perform well. So what is the essence of sharing your link to external sites? Some people can even hack your. There is no need for doing that. That is the only reason why you should not share your link. Don't share your link except you have community of people that are willing to watch your video, support you, comment, like, and engage on your video. Then you are permitted to share your link. Now you are spamming comment section. That is the third thing. Why? You have already gone and written, hey, subscribe to my channel. If you like, follow back, whatever. You have started spamming anybody that just commented. You have already started saying, subscribe. YouTube does not like that. You are telling your subscribers that commented on your video honestly to go and subscribe to your channel. Hey, not try don't do that here. YouTube will see you as a bot, especially those that usually answer to all their comments section. Like in a video, you are answering your comments in less than 60 seconds. YouTube will see you as a bot and they will shadow ban your video. So don't do this. So leave the video there, let it be having this thing. The highest you can do is like their comments. Later on, you can answer the people that needs answers. Those are people that ask questions that needs answers. Capiche? Now, replying to all comments. It's the same thing as spamming comments. You don't reply to every comment. There are so many people that are going to put 8 comments on my video. I don't reply. I decide to reply. I decide not to reply. Yeah. Sometimes I'll just reply you, thank you. It's not going to increase the engagement of the video. It's not going to make the video blow up. Note that comment, like, is not going to increase the reach of your video. It's only when the person watch your video to the end, or watch your video to an average minute of 5 or 7 minutes. That is when your video is going to perform, especially when they see your video and they click on it immediately. That is when your video is going to perform well. That is when your views is going to get high rates of engagement. Comment and like those. I have seen somebody that uploaded a video an hour ago, got 523 comments, got 523 like, and is getting 523 views. Is the views not supposed to be more than 3k or 4k? It means that YouTube will not push those videos because of the comments or the like. YouTube push those videos because the video is performing according to how people are clicking on the video. So please don't do these things while uploading your video. Yes, don't do it. And then another thing is going to your YouTube studio and on turning and offing so many settings after uploading your video. Please allow your video to breathe for 24 hours. Allow it to breathe though. The video is not going to perform badly, and if it does, it's another way of saying you should keep up the good work. Not that not all videos on your YouTube is going to perform well. Some you are going to get 50 views, some you are going to get 500 views. If you are somebody that used to get 1k views before, you will see 200 views. You'll be shocked that I have seen big YouTubers having low views on most of their videos. Yes, they did not stop there. They kept posting, they kept uploading. So the first one, don't delete your video. Please don't do that, and don't share your link. Now, if you find this video helpful, click the subscribe button, share to other creators, and I'll be seeing you in my next video.